Look at this. It is a guinea pig.
Uh-oh.
Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary
Look at
went,
this.
and
It is a
everywhere
duck.
that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. It is a chicken.
Followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yeah! Laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Yes.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Patiently about, and waited patiently.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Hi.
Why does the lamb love Mary so?
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Why does the
Goodbye.
lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Look at this. It is a lobster.
Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a pearl gourmet fish.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little
Woohoo!
lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.